Alright, so moving on to step number 2, guys, deposit USDT and buy energy. So inside our Bybit, we need to put in the money, okay? We need to deposit money. Next, you go to asset, and then you can deposit money right here. So the one that you want is USDT. And there are many ways you can deposit money into Bybit. You can transfer money from your other wallets, or you can buy crypto. Right here you can see that. Let me close this. You can see there are so many other merchants that are selling USDT. You can click here and change your respective currency. If you are from Japan, you can choose Japanese yen. If you are from Vietnam, if you are from somewhere in the world, you can choose your respective currency. I'm using my Indonesia currency, so I can buy some USDT from these people. So for example, I want to buy from this person. I can click it, and you can see all their method of purchasing. You can purchase some USDT from these people. And by the way, make sure you have some identification if you want to do more transaction. You can see that there's no limit or something. So you can find, if you are not verified, you can find the one that have buy button here. Click on buy if you don't want to verify your information, but if you want to verify information, you can click on verify. But this time I will press on buy. So here, for example, this guy is selling $105. Okay, so 105 multiply your currency is around 15 million something, right? You can see you will receive $100. Okay, and then you can just press on buy, and then you have 15 minutes to complete the payment. So you can see the quantity, the order number, and this is the person's WhatsApp number. You can chat them, you can pay now. You can see their banks here, or their bank's account. You can transfer them, and then later they will approve it, and then you will have your money. That's how you do it through P2P trading. You can also request from your wallet here. You can choose TRC20, and you can have your address, and you can use your exchange to transfer money. Okay, so right here I have $500 in my Binance account. I will transfer my Binance USDT to Bybit. So I will press on withdraw, and then I will choose USDT, send via crypto network, and then I can just scan the QR code here. Bam, there we go. After that, the network is TRC20. Make sure the network is correct, guys. Okay, don't choose wrong network. If you choose wrong network, your money will be gone. So we'll transfer $500. There is $1, so I will take it from my funding wallet, and then there is $1 network fee, by the way, you can see that. And then I'll press on withdraw, and then confirm. There is some question as well, you need to verify here. Okay, you can see it's done. It's processing. I will just wait a couple of minutes, and it should be in spot, guys. So you can see the status is still pending. Okay, we need to wait a little bit more.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so let's see if the money is in. Let's go back to asset. Okay, you can see on our spot, we already have 500 USDT, 5.99. If you remember, just now there's $1 fee when we transfer from Binance to Bybit. Okay, so click on spot here, and I'm gonna withdraw. Okay, withdraw. So you can see set up Google two-factor authentication. I'm gonna set up first. Slide it. Verification code again. Okay, we need to install this. Let's copy the key. We need to install Google Authenticator. It's a bit annoying though, to be honest with you. I don't really like to set this. Google Authenticator, but you know, to keep our account safe. Okay, this one, guys, Google Authenticator. Okay, this one, Google Authenticator. Just install it. Then open it up, get started. Enter setup key. Just enter your account here. Put a random name and then the key. Just add it. Okay, and there you go. So you paste in just now the key there, and then the account you can put whatever you want. So that's done. And then we need to sign in again, get code. Okay. Okay, good. Now we're gonna withdraw here, USDT. And make sure you click on TRC20, guys. Okay, click on that. And then we're gonna transfer money to our AntBot. Okay, go to mine. And then press on deposit. And you can see the chain is TRC20. That's correct. And then copy address here. Go back to Bybit. Put in the amount first. So I want to transfer 101. Remember, because there is $1 fee, put 101 and then address, add address. Make sure it's TRC20 and paste in your AntBot address just now. Address name, you can just name it AntBot. Okay, and then press on confirm. Again, another Google Authenticator. Okay, so I just need to wait. Okay, added successfully. So we're gonna press that. Make sure it is correct, guys. Okay, make sure it is correct. TXHSV6. This is correct. TRC20. Okay, everything is correct. And then press on withdraw. And then it will ask you for security verification again. Get code. As you can see, submitted successfully. So I just need to wait. After waiting a couple of minutes, I should see the money coming in here, and I will show you how to buy energy soon. So what have we done? We have deposit money into Bybit. Okay, if you still have problem depositing money into Bybit, make sure you watch video on YouTube or something, how to deposit money on Bybit. It's very simple, guys. It's either from, okay, if you want to deposit USDT, is either from P2P, or you can see right there, it's either from P2P, or it's either from, you know, sending the money from other exchanges or from other wallet that you have to this wallet. And make sure you use TRC20. Why? Because TRC20 usually have lower fee. Okay, the fee is only $1. If you use other network, it's a little bit more expensive. So most people just use TRC20. And you can transfer your account to derivative account, spot account, whatever. You can change it right here. By the way, that's just how you do it. And you know, you can also see your history here. Click on history. You can see your withdraw, and then you can see this is the withdraw 101. You can see the status is completed. Okay, so go back to your AntBot, and then you can see the history record is already in, and then go back, refresh it. You can either click messages, click back again, you can see it's already refreshed. Then you can click on energy, guys, then buy the $100 USDT, and then you can press on buy, confirm, and then you have purchased the energy, which is now is 10,500 USDT. And now if you already buy the energy, guys, you already bought the energy, make sure you send me an email here at cryptosmartcoin@gmail.com. Okay, send me an email, tell me your AntBot ID, and I will check it. If you indeed use my referral link and you already top up energy, I will send you all the bonuses, the private Telegram group, the Coinbase list, the private training for futures trading, everything. I will send it to you, and I will put you into a AntBot private Telegram group. Alright, in the next video, we're going to do API binding right here, API binding, which is step 3. We're going to do API binding, which is very, very important.